The mission of Mental Health America of Greater Indianapolis is to advance mental health across all communities in Greater Indianapolis through education, advocacy, and intervention.
Mental Health America of Greater Indianapolis offers a 24/7 crisis counseling service, and we also talk to folks with suicidal ideation and also provide referrals and information about mental health. The outcome goal of the program is to help callers cope with their current situation and empower them to take control of it. Many times people's coping skills have evaporated, and by listening to them, they're able to sometimes restore it. In a suicidal ideation, we provide intervention services if required, as well as coordinate emergency response.
We provide guardianship for individuals who are indigent and incapacitated and unable to make healthcare decisions on their own, and persons who have no family who can do that for them. We provide guardianship of the person, so we advocate and protect the person, but we do not provide guardianship of the estate. The goal of our program is to provide protection and advocacy services for individuals who cannot or are unable to do that for themselves, and so that they can achieve the highest quality of life in the community.
Awareness and education are critically important because of the stigma associated with mental health and mental illness. This information is very critical for us because in most cases, people with mental illness are perceived as not being well, and the stigma associated with that often prevents people from understanding them so they can accept them. So through our efforts with education, we are challenging stigma as well as providing increased awareness so that we can build upon education. What we found in Indianapolis and Greater Marion County is that we had very few programs that were focusing on the positive psychology that is associated with positive mental health. So with our focus on positive mental health and well-being, we thought it's really important to offer education in the area of positive psychology.
The Teen Self-Injury and Suicide Prevention Program is a program that Mental Health America of Greater Indianapolis offers to teach people the signs and symptoms of suicide, self-injury, and other mental illnesses. In Indiana, suicide is the second leading cause of death among teenagers, and therefore it's very important to have this program that teaches people more about this mental illness and this very significant issue.
The Veterans Roundtable is a gathering of those of us who work in the behavioral health field, but also work with veterans. And it gives us a chance to talk about all the things that we do for veterans, with the premise that we can't do it by ourselves. We have to do it in a collaborative nature, working together. And so the Veterans Roundtable gives us the opportunity to meet as colleagues and share what we're doing and news of the day or news of the week or news of the month or what have you.
PAIR, or Psychiatric Assertive Identification and Referral, is a collaborative program of the Marion County Criminal Courts, the Prosecutor's Office, Public Defender's Office, community mental health providers, and the Veterans Administration. The goal of the program is to offer an alternative or diversion to individuals with a diagnosed mental illness that have been charged with a crime, a misdemeanor, or D felony, offers them a chance to go into treatment and remain in treatment rather than into corrections.
Gift Lift is a holiday tradition of Mental Health America of Greater Indianapolis since 1950. Each year, new gifts are donated by members of the community and then wrapped by volunteers. In mid-December, there is a wrapping event called Give-A-Wrap. Hundreds of gifts are then distributed to individuals with mental disorders who reside in group homes, hospitals, and nursing homes. For many of these individuals, this is the only gift they will receive during the holidays. So we try to focus on many needed items such as clothing, toiletries, and household goods.
Mental Health America of Greater Indianapolis works to promote mental health every day. Consider how you can help make Indianapolis a mentally healthy community through your own gift of time or money.